We're just going to show you the pressure decay leak test. At the end of the pressure decay leak test, I will shut the machine off because it wants to do its hydrogen test after that. We would give you a machine or just does pressure decay. So I'll begin the test. We hit reset first and then start. You control the amount of flow into the coils with a needle valve, a flow valve. You can see the pressure drop, immediate pressure drop. And now the unit's we're letting the unit stabilize pressure and temperature for 1 minute, and that is displayed on the elapsed timer. We're now at 20 seconds. Flat plate heat exchangers, because of their mass, require a longer settling time to make sure that the temperature is a constant. Okay, we've taken a snapshot of the pressure, and now we're reading the difference from that recorded value. As you can see, both units appear to be very tight. Now I'm going to shut the machine off, but as you can see, the difference of the two units as far as the pressure decay is concerned is under the half-pound limit, and they're pretty consistent with each other. I'm going to hit reset, those numbers will go away. And that is the pressure decay test. Part of our demonstration, I'm going to attach a calibrated leak standard. And what this is a small stainless steel capillary tube that's been crushed to the leak rate of 100 ounces per year refrigerant R22. Unfortunately, that's the way we create our standards. I don't have the cc per second equivalent, but I will demonstrate the leak later in water. But for right now, I'm just going to attach it to the side A side on one of the quick disconnect fittings. Okay. Close the hood. Pressing reset and start. If you remember, the preset for the leak in this particular model is half a pound, 0.5 pounds. We have a 45-second stabilization time and a 25-second test time at the end of the stabilization period. We're 20 seconds into our stabilization time. This system would be integrated with our helium leak detector that we'll be demonstrating shortly. We're now in our pressure decay leak test time period. The time period is 25 seconds. See by the results that the one unit failed with the leak attached. We'll do the test one more time with the leak disconnected. settling time. Stabilization period, 45 seconds. You can see the slight decay in the unit pressure readings. All the presets would be determined by modeling a good unit. And they would give us both the time and pressure differences over the test time required by the engineering group. As you can see, they both pass. They hold stable numbers of half of what the fault value is. Now I'm going to hook this up and show you physically. I'm just going to give you a brief display as to the amount of leak that that machine just detected. All I'll do is start a standard charge. Okay, we're at our 430 pound test charge. And by the way, if you can test at a higher pressure, you will find a leak sooner. It gives you some idea of the sensitivity of the unit.